If you're new to gardening this year, we have a free workbook that we think you will find really useful. You can find a link to download it in our bio. Once you download it, you can print it off at Kinko's and get it bound like this. You can print it and put it through a ring binder or use it digitally. Inside, you'll find things like gardening basics. So a lot of the big picture concepts that you want to start thinking about when you garden. There are charts. And this is a crop rotation chart, and then different charts with plant families that give you things like how easy it is to grow, what the season is, and the square foot if you're doing container gardening, which is really helpful. The workbook section is called Field Notes, and these are some pages where you can actually start to craft your own dream garden. So there's a piece of graph paper, and you can print one or more of these out to start sketching out your garden. You can put down your crop plan, so all the plants that you really want to grow or think you might be interested in growing. And then the next step would be figuring out your seeds or your plants that you're going to need to get started. And then this is probably one of the most important sections, which is the growing notes. This is where you're going to start to keep track of what you're learning in your own garden. After that, we have some information about resources of books and supplies and tools and seeds that we've found to be really successful for us. This guide is everything that we wish we would have known when we first started growing our own food 20 years ago. And again, it's totally free. You can download it from our website. The link is in the bio. And we wish you a good growing season wherever you find yourself on your gardening journey.